Ndewono. Welcome back to my channel, Learn Igbo with High Center, and I'm happy to see you once more in this lesson. So today what we are going to talk about is different types of food, names of different types of food in Igbo. All right? So let's get started without wasting any time. So the first one we'll talk about is yam. Do you know what yam is called in Igbo? Yam. Okay. Yam is called G. This one here is called G. Alright. So can you say G? G. J-I. G. Good. Next one we have is Osikapa. It's funny as it sounds, right? Osikapa. This. Osikapa means rice. Rice, okay? So rice means osikapa. Alright? So the third one is beans. Can you guess this one? Beans. It means agwa. Can you say agwa? Don't mix it up with this. Jaw. Jaw is called agba. Alright? Agba. But beans is agwa. Say it again. Agwa. Good. Then the third one is okwa. Okwa. Say okwa. It means breadfruit. Breadfruit. This one here. Okwa. And we have gari. Of course, you know gari is gari. Okay. Which is gotten from cassava. Alright. Then, do you know what that cassava is called? Cassava. Cassava is called jiaku. Jiaku. Say it again. Jiaku. Good. And we have akara. Akara. You should know akara, of course. Bean cake. Alright. That one you buy to use and take pap whenever you visit village. Alright. So akara, bean cake. And we have swallow, okay, which we call fufu. And swallow can be anything, you know. It can be pounded yam you use for your swallow. It can be gari, you know, the one you use hot water, okay, you use for your swallow. It can be all this semovita, okay, but our major swallow, our major Igbo swallow food we have is this one, akpu. This white man, all right, it is called akpu. Akpu. So if you've not eaten akpu before, you need to also test it as an Igbo person you are. Okay? So you can eat it with ofe onugbu, any type of soup. Alright? But it goes well, especially with ofe ogbono. Okay. Then we'll have this ede. Ede. So ede is cocoyam. Alright, and we'll use ede as one of the soup thickener. Alright, so you use it. There is what we call ofede. Ofede. Okay, so we have other types of soup. We have ofede. Alright, which is among them. I will tell you the other ones in our coming lessons. Okay, alright. Achicha. Can you say achicha? Achicha. Achicha means bread. Bread, normal bread. This bread, achicha. Then we'll have unune. This unune. Unune means banana. Say unune. Unune. Good. You are doing well. Then we have abacha. Abacha. Abacha is African salad. This one, ha. If you've not tested abacha before, guy, you need to test it. All right. Next time you visit East, you visit village, try and test abacha like this. The one is being prepared like this. And if you are to mix it with palm wine, this one, mayango, all right, palm wine. Oh, it will take you to heaven, straight to heaven. All right. So, as I said, abacha means African salad. All right. Then, as I mentioned, palm wine. All right. Palm wine is called mayango in Igbo. Mayango. Although there are two different types. We have mayango and we have mayango. All right. The mayango is gotten from a palm tree. Okay, palm tree. That is nku. Then the other type, ngwo. All right. So we have mayango and mayango. This one here. All right. And it's the same thing, the same taste, same color. It serve the same purpose. All right. Although some people say that mayango is sweeter than the mayango. Okay. But me, I've tested both. I did not see any difference in both. And if you've not tested mayango or mayango and you are an Igbo person, omo, you need to try and test it. All right, you need to try and test it. You know that palm wine is the, will I say, only drink that is being produced in Igbo land. Okay, so we own it. It's our pride. Okay, all right. And we have fish. Do you know what fish is called? Fish. Fish is called azu. All right, azu. Say azu, not azu. Azu means back. All right, back. Your back. It's called azu. It's the same spelling. All right, but different pronunciation, and it means different things. Remember, as I mentioned earlier, tonal language. Igbo is a tonal language. So azu, azu, don't mix the two up. All right. So azu means fish, while anu means meat. Okay, anu, it means meat. And we have different types of meat, isn't it? So you have the one that you got from goat, from chicken, all right, from cow, and so on and so forth. So if the meat is gotten from goat, all right, if it is gotten from goat, we call it goat meat. Goat meat, which is anu ewu. Ewu means goat. All right, so anu ewu. And if it is gotten from chicken, all right, you say anu okuko. Okuko is called chicken in English. So anu okuko. If it's from cow, anu nama. All right, anu nama. Although Anambra dialect will say efi, it means the same thing. Nama and efi is the same. Okay, so they can say anu efi, and you, as you're watching me, if you are from Anambra, you can 100% use it. Okay, anu efi, it means the same thing, 100% correct. So anu nama, or you say anu efi. Okay, so assuming that you are eating, okay, remember we are talking about food. So assuming that you are eating and someone is asking you, my friend or my sister or guy, what are you eating? Okay, or you have to ask someone, what are you eating? So how to say it is gịnị ka ị na-eri? Gịnị ka ị na-eri? Can you say gịnị ka ị na-eri? Gịnị ka ị na-eri? Say it again. One more time. Gịnị ka ị na-eri? Alright? So, assuming is yam. Okay? Is yam. What you respond is ana m eri. You mention it. Okay? So let me just say ana m eri yam. So I want you to put that yam, the Igbo name. Alright? So ana m eri. Good. So the right sentence there is, or phrase is, ana m eri ji. Okay, remember yam is ji. If it's rice, you say ana m eri osikapa. If it's beans, ana m eri agwa. If it's bread, ana m eri achịcha. Okay, and so on. Alright, so whatever you are eating, you mention. Are you getting it? So can you say it one more time? Ana m eri ji. Good. So now, when I ask now, I want you to use the different types of food as we talked about here now to respond to me, okay? So assuming I'm the one asking you. Okay, so gịnị ka ị na-eri? Which one do you use? Yam, okay. Which should be ana m eri ji. So now I want you to use African salad. Okay? Gịnị ka ị na-eri? Ana m eri abacha. Don't mix abacha and achịcha together. Okay? The sound, the two of them sounds alike, but don't mix them up. Abacha is African salad. Achịcha is bread. Alright? So what if it's fish you are eating? How do you answer that one? Gịnị ka ị na-eri? Ta-da! Ana m eri azụ. Okay, let's use meat. Okay? Gịnị ka ị na-eri? Good. Excellent. I know you got it 100%. Okay? Ana m eri anụ, because anụ is meat. So now, as we talked about nyem in our previous lesson, alright? Nyem. I want you to note this. Remember we said that nyem is give me, right? So as we talked about that, I want us to use it, relating it to this food. Okay? So something like give me yam. Alright? Give me yam. So how do you say give me yam? Nyem ji or nyemu ji. Okay? So the same thing with give me rice. Nyem osikapa. Okay? Give me meat. Nyem anụ. Give me fish. Nyem azụ. Give me banana. Nyem unune. Okay? So try and be practicing these words. Okay? And in no time, you'll be speaking like a professional. So this is where we are going to stop for this lesson. And please, don't be stingy with your like and subscription. Hey, Jonah. Please, guys, like this video, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos, because I have them packaged. Like, I have them, okay, packaged for you. This Igbo, you must learn it by fire, by force. In this channel, only in this channel that you will learn it in a very simple and easy way. See you in our next lesson. Bye.